Hello everyone, my name is Viviana Torres, and for today's presentation I will be doing ashfall hazards. What makes volcanic ashfall a dangerous hazard? Volcanic ashfall is a mixture of rock, mineral, and glass particles released by volcanoes during eruptions. Volcanic ash can contain gases such as carbon dioxide and fluorine, which are potentially hazardous to people. Volcanic ash can cause respiratory issues and lung damage if inhaled. A person can suffocate if they inhale enormous volumes of ash and volcanic gases. The most common cause of death from a volcano is suffocation. Volcanic ash on or near the ground can reduce vision, make surfaces slippery, cause roofs to collapse, harm agriculture and wild plants, clog ventilation systems, rust metal, pollute water supplies, or irritate and damage eyes, and pose a health concern to individuals with respiratory conditions. An example of a volcanic eruption with ashfall was the Indonesia eruption in East Java with Mount Khulud. The eruption happened in the night. The eruption covered the ground in a black thick layer of ash. It also sounded like rain. People were scared and wanted to leave the town, but they couldn't because airplanes were covered in ash and airports were shut down. This image right here was taken during the night when a lightning struck the mountain and it made it erupt. This is a map of the mountain right here. Ways to stay protected are, most importantly, wearing masks, having a radio, keeping your animals and other people safe inside, closing all windows and doors. These are my references. Thank you.